To remove an object from a photo on Google Pixel 10a, first of all, we're gonna go to Photos app. Now over here in Photos, we need to go ahead and open the photo that we wish to edit, and we're gonna tap on the edit option at the bottom of the screen. Now in here, we can either tap on the subject in order to select the subject that we want to remove. In this case, I don't have select to edit, but I can just simply install it. So if you don't have it as well, you can just install that and you just need to wait for that. So once we have that installed, you should be able to tap on the subject that you want to get rid of, and then you can use the erase button. You can also switch to actions at the bottom of the screen, and we have the magic eraser in here. Whichever option you go for, both work in pretty much the same way. In this case, I don't have magic eraser as well, so I have to install that too. But there we go, it removed pretty much immediately. If there is something left after removing an object, then you should be able to select the area that you want to fix. For example, like if there are some shadows or something, then you should be able to select that by just drawing a circle around it or anything. And let me also show you the erase option in here, which is, like I said, pretty much the same. And the cartoon should be removed from the photo quite easily. There we go. Once you are done, tap on this check in the bottom right corner. And then afterwards, of course, we need to save our photo. So we're gonna tap Save as Copy. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.